How am I waking up with my lips drier? Make it make sense. It's not making sense. 1 plus 1 is not equaling 2, it's equaling to 5, and I'm trying to figure out how it's getting there. And I'm able to say that this one is crap. $30 for this cleanser? That's ridiculous. Hey, hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another products I don't recommend you guys buy. I've done this type of video before, products I recommend, products I don't recommend. They will both be linked in the iCard and down below. But this video is a bit more special because we have a little giveaway. Well, maybe not little, because there are going to be 5 winners. And this giveaway is international. So the company Wishtrend contacted me, asking me if I wanted to give away some prizes to you guys, and I was like, yes. And I wasn't sure what items to do for the giveaway prize, so in my community tab I did a little poll and I was like, hey, if I were to hypothetically, wink wink, do a giveaway, what would you guys want to win? So the prize option that won was the Dear Claire's Vitamin C drops and the Vitamin E mask. 5 of you guys will be winning these 2 products. Obviously you'll be winning brand new ones. These ones are just mine. I'm just showing you guys as, like, you know, so you can see what they look like. Even though my lights are kind of washing them out, I'm sorry. So if you guys want a chance to win these 2 products, stay tuned to the end of the video so you get to know the deets on how to win. And you better watch through this whole video, okay? Don't cheat. So yeah, thank you Wishtrend for sponsoring this giveaway. Before we begin this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps with my engagement. And hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload. My socials will be linked down below, my art Instagram and my main Instagram. And I will also link down below my TikTok. I think that's all, so without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, so the first skincare product I regret buying kind of has a funny background story to it. I don't know why I said the story is funny when it's not. But yeah. So in my most popular skincare video, which has over 200,000 views, which is honestly insane to think, thank you so much. I tested out a sample that I got at Sephora, which was the Laneige sleeping mask in the cherry flavor, I think. I forgot. In the video, I said that the Laneige sleeping lip mask wasn't terrible, but for sure was not worth that high price tag it has. Like, it's just overpriced Vaseline.
Did I lie? Did I lie? Did I fucking lie? The cold never bothered me anyway.
And then, when my birthday passed a couple months ago, I was like, you know what? I want to get my Sephora birthday gift thing. But when you're redeeming your birthday gift online, you have to make a purchase. I thought to myself, hey, let me just get the Laneige sleeping mask to see if it's actually worth the money. I've tried this for a while, a couple times. I really tried my best to work with this thing, because I remember someone in the comments saying that you need to pat it into your lips so it fully absorbs or some bullcrap like that. No, this product is just trash.
Well, just as I thought, trash.
When you initially put it on your lips, it feels great and your lips just look nice and juicy. But when I wake up in the morning, my lips are chapped. Like, how? How am I waking up with my lips drier than they were before I went to bed? Make it make sense. It's not making sense. 1 plus 1 is not equaling 2, it's equaling to 5, and I'm trying to figure out how it's getting there.
What?
This sleeping mask for your lips, pretty much a glorified lip balm, is $30. I feel like with a product this high in price, gotta work miracles on my lips. I want to wake up with brand new lips. In all honesty, my $3 Blistex works 10 times better than this $30 Laneige sleeping mask. Next product, the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors Plus HA Surface Hydration Formula. Wow, that is a long name for just a moisturizer, and a kind of crappy one. Like, I did use this moisturizer in my affordable morning skincare routine video, but that was a while ago. I've now have experienced better skincare products, and I'm able to say that this one is crap. It's not moisturizing. It's a very weird balm-like formula, and it just doesn't feel like it's moisturizing your skin. I feel like it just vanished into my skin, and not in a good way. I've applied it and it has done nothing to benefit my skin. Okay, I think this is the final skincare product I have for today. I'm gonna cut it short today just because I don't want this video to be too long. But the final skincare product I regret buying is the Kylie Skin Foam Cleanser. It's not a bad cleanser, let me just say that. It's not a bad cleanser. Is it a great cleanser? No, not at all. It's a very basic cleanser. If you just want something that will just clean your face, this is it. It'll clean your face. I feel like it's not gonna do anything special. There's nothing wrong with that. Like, sometimes you just need a basic cleanser. However, the price on this bad boy, I think it's like $30 for this cleanser. That's ridiculous. Instead of this overpriced cleanser, I honestly just recommend the CeraVe cleansers. They are super affordable and there's literally a cleanser for each skin type. Yeah, I'll have those alternatives linked down below because this is just overpriced and not worth it. So those are all the products that I regret buying. And now onto the giveaway rules. So this giveaway is international and it is sponsored by Wishtrend. So Wishtrend will be shipping the products directly to you guys. So you just need to make sure that you live in one of the countries that Wishtrend ships to. I'll either have like the countries in the description box or just like a link to their website for you to check to see if they ship to where you live. Once again, there will be 5 winners and each winner will receive a Dear KLAIRS Vitamin C mask and a Dear KLAIRS Vitamin E mask. October 9th is when the giveaway will start and the giveaway will end in 5 days. So it will end on the 14th. I'm sorry, I can't do quick math like that.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
And when the giveaway ends, I will announce the winners on the community tab on my channel, so stay on the lookout for that. And I will contact the winners directly through Instagram. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is number 1, be subscribed. Of course, duh, I'm doing this giveaway for my loyal, lovely subscribers. Number 2, like this video. Number 3, follow me on Instagram and also follow Wishtrend Story on Instagram. I will have their Instagram handle also linked down below so you guys can easily click on it. Hit that not subscribe, we're talking about Instagram. Hit that follow button. And the final step is to comment down below why you would want to win these products with your @handle for Instagram so I can just double check to make sure that you're following me and following Wishtrend. I will have all the giveaway rules and details listed down below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again, Wishtrend, for sponsoring this giveaway, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.